Hello dear students, welcome to social science class. Chapter number 4, Realms of the Earth. It's for class 5th, part 5. In previous part, we have completed about realms of the earth. We know that our earth includes land, water and air. Land is known as lithosphere, water is known as hydrosphere and air is known as atmosphere. And also we have learnt in previous class, previous chapter, previous part about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere, it is some gaseous layer. It is a mixture of gases. So which type of gas is present here? You know that. You have learnt in previous part. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and argon. So how much percentage here gases are present in our atmosphere? Oxygen present 21%, nitrogen 78% and carbon dioxide 0.04% and argon gas present here, that is 0.9%. And also we have learnt some layers of the atmosphere. In this atmosphere, the atmosphere is divided in some layers that layers are there. First layer is troposphere, second layer stratosphere and third layer mesosphere and fourth one thermosphere and last layer is exosphere. So about this layer we have completed in previous part, okay, and today's topic is the lithosphere, okay. So lithosphere or land, So what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is the outermost part. Lithosphere is the outermost part of the earth. Means we know that in lithosphere, so below the lithosphere, so it dividing so many layers that, okay, we know that layers are there here. So below the lithosphere, so that layer is there here, mantle. Above the mantle, two layers are present, means that is a core. Core is dividing in two layers, that outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core. The lithosphere is means also known as that crust. So crust, it is made up of rocks. Crust, it is made up of rocks. And below the crust, so some layer is there, that mantle. But before that, I am telling that, so Earth's interior it covered that 2,900 kilometers. Earth's interior is covered that 2,900 kilometers. And after lithosphere means after the crust, so below that which layer is there here? This is a mantle. So this is a crust and this is a mantle. And mantle, so this layer is very deep inside that, and it is a liquid layer. Which type of layer this? Liquid layer. And after, again below the mantle, some outer core is present here. The outer core, see here, outer core, it covers that 2300 kilometer. The outer core is present there, it is the outer core. It's present here 2300 kilometer. And afterwards, inner core. So, inner core is located here, see here, inner core. Inner core is located here 1200 kilometer below the, deep on the Earth's interior. Okay, Earth's interior is covered by 2900 kilometer. Okay, so below means what? Earth's inside. Some layer is covered, so many layers are covered that. So the Earth's interior is covered by 2900 kilometer on the deep interior on the Earth. So after crust, second layer, which one is second layer? After the crust, it is the crust. Crust means what? Land. Crust means what? It is a lithosphere. Lithosphere means what? Land. It is the crust. Crust is made up of rocks. And below this crust, which layer is present? So, mantle. So, this mantle layer is liquid layer. This mantle layer is liquid layer. And afterwards, some inner layer and outer layer are present in the Earth's interior. Inner layer, it's present at 1200 kilometer. It is an inner layer, means inner core. And afterwards, outer core is present at 2300 kilometer. And this outer core is made up of nickel and iron. Outer core is made up of nickel and iron. And inner core, it presents that iron. Inner core is presents that iron. Okay, students, it is made up of iron. And afterwards, we know that about this lithosphere. Lithosphere means what, student? Lithosphere is a land, means it is the crust. And here the Earth's crust means the Earth interior is present at how much kilometer? 2900 kilometer. And in Earth's interior, so many layers are present here. What are that? In this crust, in this below the crust, which layer is there? Mantle. It is a deep inside the Earth's interior. It is a mantle. This mantle layer is liquid layer. And after the mantle, again deep interior, Earth's interior, core layer is present. Core. Core means what? It is terulu. Okay, core means actually moola. So, in that layer, two layers are dividing that core. That layers are there, inner core and outer core. Outer core, it present there. How much kilometer? It's located there. 2300 kilometer. Outer core. And outer core, it is made up of nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. And inner core. It is an inner core. Inner core, it presents here to 1200 kilometer and it is made up of iron. Okay, student, it is about lithosphere. So I hope you will understood about this. Okay. So what is lithosphere? The lithosphere is a land. Okay. So where we stand, it is a lithosphere. Okay. So it is a land. Also we calling that crust. What we calling that? Crust. It is made up of rocks. And after this layer, how many layers are there? Tell me. 3 layers are there. What is that? Which are that? Tell me. You know that now. Mantle. Okay. Actually, the earth includes the 3 layers. First one is crust. Second is mantle. Third is core. This core is dividing in 2 categories. Inner core and outer core. Okay. So you know that the earth's interior, how much kilometer it located in earth's interior. You know that 2900 kilometer, and afterwards the mantle is a liquid layer. After the crust coming this layer below the earth's interior, it is the liquid layer, and afterwards after the below the mantle, outer core is present. This outer core is made up of nickel and iron, and 2300 kilometer located on the earth's interior, and afterwards inner core, so that is located 1200 kilometer below the earth's interior, and it is made up of, means inner core is made up of iron. Okay, students. So today's topic lithosphere is completed here. Okay. So you draw a picture and you make the points neatly. So after completing your class, means your homework, so you send it my WhatsApp number. So today's topic means part 5 is completed. So next part I am continuing in next class. Thank you.